Clark? Mr. Clark?
You have pneumonia. I can send you home, but you'll be confined to bed rest for 2 weeks.
Yeah, I can't do that.
Or I can admit you to the hospital right now, Mr. Clark.
Okay, now just because I'm on this videotape doesn't mean that I can't see you. Alita, is that gum? All right, is everybody ready?
Yes, sir.
I felt it was important to give you the scores myself. These are probably not scores you expect. This sixth grade class tested higher than any other class